Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we are diving deep into a product that's been getting a massive amount of buzz.
And maybe even more skepticism.
Right. It's the ClimaWarm Heater. And if you've seen the ads, it sounds like an absolute game changer.
Oh, the pitch is amazing.
It promises this, energy-saving breakthrough, advanced ceramic convection technology, heating up entire rooms in just minutes.
And the claims are just staggering. They're talking 90% more energy efficient, smart safety systems, ultra fast performance.
Yeah.
But our mission today is really to synthesize all these independent reviews and scam detector reports to see if it's real.
To see if it's a breakthrough or just a really, really slick sales funnel.
And so far, the sources are definitely leaning one way, heavily.
So let's start at the foundation. The first thing we synthesized was the complete lack of verifiable information about the business.
A huge red flag.
Yeah, this corporate opacity. I mean, does a company history really matter if the product works?
It absolutely matters, especially when you're making claims like 90% energy savings. I mean, think about it. If you have a genuine, revolutionary piece of technology, you usually want to shout about it, right? You want people to know who's behind it.
You want to be transparent.
Exactly. When the claims are huge, but the corporate footprint is tiny, it suggests the whole thing is set up to limit accountability. They don't want to be around for the fallout.
What's fascinating here is how the marketing seems to reinforce that suspicion.
It's all connected.
They're not leaning on, credible engineering reviews. They're just hitting you with high-pressure tactics, live-at-ooze stock, 50% off.
Countdown timers, all of it. And independent analyses point out these are just classic drop shipping gimmicks.
And for you listening, that's a critical insight, right?
It is, because drop shipping tells you the focus is purely on sales. It's logistics. There is zero money being spent on quality control, on engineering, or on customer support. It's just about volume.
Not about building a brand on excellence.
Not at all. And we even noticed another flag in the sources, which is the name itself. The product is the ClimaWarm Heater, but the website that got flagged is the ClimaWarm store.
Oh, so a slight misspelling.
A slight confusing shift. It's a trademark of these kinds of high-pressure sites.
So that leads us directly to the performance gap, which is, I guess, the ultimate test. The promise is heating an entire room, slashing your bills.
That's the promise. The reality, though, based on user feedback, it's not that.
So what is it?
The device only warms a very small zone, basically right in front of it. Users keep calling it a gentle warmth.
More like a personal fan heater then.
Exactly. It's fine if you're sitting right on top of it, but that completely defeats the whole premise of saving energy for your house.
You're buying a small appliance that's being advertised as a primary heating system.
Precisely.
And then there's the final nail in the coffin, really. The scam detector rating.
Yeah, this is the big one. Their website is explicitly flagged as suspicious. Their marketing, labeled dubious.
And it's a new domain, too, right?
Very new. Which, again, just signals this temporary business model. They're there to make quick cash, and then they'll probably vanish.
So to synthesize this for everyone listening.
The takeaway is this. While there's probably a device in the box, and it probably gives off some heat, all the evidence points in one direction.
The lack of transparency, the sales tactics.
The tricky domain name, the inflated claims. It all suggests this isn't a breakthrough. It's an aggressively marketed, probably low-quality import. So you should proceed with extreme caution.
So what does this all mean? It means we have to be hyper-vigilant consumers. I mean,
Right.
How often does the language of advanced technology just mask a fundamentally average performance?
That happens all the time.
Before you trust one of those high-pressure sales funnels, with the 50% off and the limited stock, maybe just ask yourself this. What 3 specific, verifiable details about the company, the tech, or the independent reviews should you demand before clicking buy?
Demand real evidence.
Right. Demand evidence, not just enthusiasm. And that's what we'll leave you with today.